Thank you for joining me on Love Cooking with Toghfah. I share recipes and my cancer journey. Today is cancer awareness and spread positivity. I'd like to request, if you haven't already, to please subscribe and add me on my other social platforms. You are also now able to donate to my channel via PayPal and my Go-Get funding on my Facebook. So today I am making a delicious dish. I'm just adding in some oil to my pan, and then I also have some cloves that I'll be adding into my saucepan, as well as allspice balls. So I'm adding it in, and here I have onions, large onions finely chopped up. For those who know me and always watch my videos, you know that I will list the ingredients in the description box. So I'm just going to braise the onions until it's nice and golden brown, and I will keep you updated as I do so. But for now, I'll be adding in some freshly red chopped chili. This is optional, you don't have to add it. And as you know, water so that your onions do not burn to the bottom of your saucepan. So I'll just continue braising the onions like this. This dish is also a great cancer fighting food. It's wholesome and it is delicious. Braised chicken. So nice. I can already taste it. Guys, I am now at the point where I'm adding in some crushed garlic. There we go, and I'll just add it into the onions. The onions are translucent at this point, and I'm just going to give that a stir and continue braising it until it's a nice golden brown in color. Also, not forgetting to add water in between your braising time. And I'll continue braising the onions and adding water whenever need be. I am so excited to have supper this evening. Braised chicken. I'll also be adding in carrots. So let me show you that twist when we get to that point. So now, first, before we add the carrots, we're going to add the chicken. And I cut my chicken up in strips, moderate sizes, and I'm just going to add the chicken into the saucepan with the onions, because the onions are nice and golden brown at this point. And I will just cook the chicken with the onions like that. Let me just spread it out evenly in the pan and stir it one last time and turn the heat to medium high and seal the pot. Guys, I'm back with some salt and pepper seasoning that I'll be adding into the saucepan along with the chicken and the onions. I'll also be adding in coriander powder, dhania powder. In my case, I think I'll be adding in some more water here as well. And let's stir that. As you can see, medium high. It is cooking quite fast. So let's give it a stir. I'll just turn the stove down a notch and seal the pot again and continue cooking the chicken. So we are at the next step now that my chicken is almost done. I'll be adding in potatoes. You can cut your potatoes however you wish or prefer. I just halved mine and I'm adding it into the saucepan. Here we go. I'll put it in the saucepan and let the potatoes reach the bottom of the saucepan so that it can cook in the juices and also so that it can get soft. So I'm going to be cooking the potatoes with the chicken like this for some time. I'll add in water if need be. And yep, I'll check on the potatoes later. Guys, I am back and checking my potatoes with a knife. So my potatoes are almost soft or almost done cooking. So now I'll add in my carrots. I cut my carrots up into sticks and I'll just be adding it on the side. So as you can see, I moved all the potatoes to one side and all the chicken strips to the other side. And now I'll be adding in some black seeds as well. Just sprinkling it on top. And I'm going to add in some more water. Here we go. Just moving it around so that it doesn't burn to the bottom of the pan. And now I'll be adding in some crushed chilies or chili flakes. And at this point I'll give it about 5 minutes more. And when I'm done, I'll take it out. As you can see, my potatoes are quite soft. I'll just drizzle over some soy sauce.